Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had explained and written exercise 8 to 10 of Unit 1. Let's revise of your English grammar book. And today I'll be starting with exercise 11 of Unit 1. Let's revise. So all of you, please take out your English grammar book and turn the page to page number 9. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn the page to page number 9, exercise 11. Fill in the blanks with past form of bracketed verbs and complete the story. Now there is a story given of King Solomon and we need to complete this story by using the past form of the verbs given in the bracket. बेटा ब्रैकेट में verbs दिए उनके हमको past form fill करके story complete करनी है. Now Solomon dash be a king known for his intelligence. Now, beta, be means be मतलब हमको is और am was were यूज करना है, ठीक है. अब क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में है कि पास्ट फॉर्म है और हमें सब्जेक्ट देखना है सिंगुलर है कि प्लूरल. नाउ द सब्जेक्ट इज किंग सोलोमन, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन किंग. सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर एंड पास्ट में है तो बी मीन्स द पास्ट फॉर्म यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. तो हम यहाँ पे वॉज लिखेंगे. बी में अगर प्रेजेंट होता तो हम इज लिखते. पास्ट है so we write was. So Solomon was a king known for his intelligence. All of you write was in the first blank. Now one day, comma, the queen of Sheba dash come to test his wisdom. Now, next sentence is one day the queen of Sheba dash come to test his wisdom. Now the past form of come is came. So write came in the second blank. She dash and the verb in the bracket is show, show, show him two flower pots which dash, the verb given in the bracket is look alike. So, she dashed him. The past form of show is show. They simply add ed to the verb show. तो show का क्या हो गया? Show. showed. She showed him two flower pots which the past form of look is looked, which looked alike. The flowers of one pot dash be real. Now again B is there subject is flowers, children. So for B we will be using with plural subject we use were, which looked alike the flowers of one pot were real. The flowers of other pot, the flowers of other pot dash be artificial. Now again B is there. So we write were. She dash asks the king to find out the real flowers without touching them. Now, the past form of ask is asked. So write asked. Ed, add ed to the verb ask. Then the next paragraph. King Solomon dash look at the flowers and then dash open the window. King Solomon looked. The past form of look is look. Add ed to the word look. Add the flowers and then the past form of open is opened. And then open the window. Soon some butterflies and honeybees fly and dash sit on the real flowers. The past form of fly is flew and the past form of sit is sat. So write flew and sat. Then Solomon dash tell. The past form of tell is told. So write T-O-L-D, told. The answer to the queen. She dash again be impressed. So she had singular pronouns, we write was. She was impressed with the wisdom of King Solomon. So with this we have finished the last exercise, that is exercise 11th of unit 1. Now let's read it. Solomon was a king known for his intelligence. One day the queen of Sheba came to test his wisdom. Fine. She showed him two flower pots which looked alike. The flowers of one pot were real, the flowers of other pot were artificial. She asked the king to find out the real flowers without touching them. King Solomon looked at the flowers and then opened the window. Soon some butterflies and honeybees flew and sat on the real flowers. Then Solomon told the answer to the queen. She was impressed with the wisdom of King Solomon. So students, with this we have finished our unit 1. Now I am going to erase this and start with unit 2, that is alphabetical order. I hope everyone knows what alphabetical order is. Arranging the alphabets in alphabetical order. Now suppose if you are told to speak A, B, C, D. So you start from A and end with Z. The first letter of the alphabet is A and the last is Z. Now you all know that there are 26 alphabets in English language. सबको पता है फर्स्ट क्या है ए है और लास्ट क्या है जेड और अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मीन्स फर्स्ट ए देन बी देन सी देन जी ई एंड सो ऑन. नाउ the most common example is when the school goes on, you can see the teacher taking attendance in alphabetical order. She starts taking the name of the students who's got name with A first, then B, C and so on. है ना, सबको पता है. So this is what alphabetical order is. And why do we need to know the alphabetical order? Because कहीं भी nowadays technology in computer also, mobile also, if you want to see the contacts, you see the names arranged in alphabetical order. Then as students, we all refer to the dictionary for finding out the meanings of different words. So we need to look at the dictionary, and in dictionary also, the words are written in alphabetical order. So let's start with exercise 1, that is arrange these words in alphabetical order. These groups of words are synonyms. And जो हमें group of words दिए हुए हैं, they are all synonyms. Synonyms are the words which have got the same meaning. Synonyms क्या है? They are the words which have got same meaning. Now, the first one is efficient. हिंदी में जिसको काबिल बोलते हैं ना, able, talented, experienced, accomplished, and expert. फाइन, अब इनको हमें अरेंज करना अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में. ओके, अब बेटा सबसे पहले हम वर्ड्स विच आर स्टार्टिंग विथ ए इनको देखेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन इज एबल एंड द सेकेंड इज अकम्प्लिश. अब ए कॉमन है फर्स्ट में, तो हम सेकेंड प्लेस में देखेंगे. हियर इट इज बी, हियर इट इज सी, तो पहला कौन सा आएगा? एबल. सो राइट एबल इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. आफ्टर एबल वी राइट अकम्प्लिश्ड. आफ्टर एबल वी राइट अकम्प्लिश्ड. Now there are three words with E: efficient, experienced and expert. अब हम इनमें देखेंगे फर्स्ट E तो सब में कॉमन है. अब इनमें हम सेकेंड प्लेस के वर्ड को देखेंगे. सो efficient, F is there, so we write efficient. Now the next two words are experienced and expert. अब यहाँ पे आप देखोगे फर्स्ट थ्री लेटर्स आर कॉमन, दैट इज EXP, then E is also common, R is also common. तो अब यहाँ पे देखो EXP, ER. The 5 first letters are common. तो अब हम 6 लेटर को देखेंगे. इसमें I है, इसमें T है, तो पहले कौन सा आता? I आता है. So we write experienced. Then we write expert, and the last word is one, two, three, four, five, six. So we have written able, accomplished, efficient, experienced and expert. So we have written the 5 words and the word remaining is talented. So हम लास्ट में किसको लिखेंगे बेटा? Talented, because T लास्ट में आता है. So we have written the first set of words in alphabetical order. और इन सब का मीनिंग सेम है. Able, accomplished, efficient, experienced, expert, talented means this means the same. सारे the names are different but the meaning is same, है ना? किसी बहुत स्किल्ड काबिल इंसान को who is capable of doing something, उनके लिए ये synonyms यूज किए जाते हैं. Then the next set of words are reverse, revere, praise, then idolize, then applaud. कोई अच्छा काम करता है तो हम अपलॉड करते हैं ना, ताली बजा के. सो दैट इज देन आइकनाइज एंड अप्रिशिएट. नाउ अब इनको हमें करेक्ट ऑर्डर में करना है. Now the first word is with A. Now there are two words with A: applaud and appreciate. अब हम देखेंगे A double P दोनों में कॉमन है, तो फोर्थ प्लेस में यार R is there and L is there. Which comes first? L. So we write applaud in the first place and appreciate in the second place. Fine. Then A के बाद कौन सा अल्फाबेट आएगा? Now comes I. Idolize and iconize. I after I, C comes first. So we write iconize. Iconize जो word है icon से बनाए. And idolize. After iconize, idolize. Now two words are remaining: revere and praise. So obviously P comes first, so we write praise first and then we write revere. So The correct alphabetical order is applaud, appreciate, iconize, idolize, praise and threat. Now the third one. The third sets of words are enhance, boost, raise, magnify, elevate. किसी भी चीज को बढ़ाना, improve करना, and improve. All these words have got same meaning. Now, the first word will be boost. B. B alphabet in सबसे पहले आता है. So we will write boost. Then we have got two words with E. So elevate will come first because E के बाद L आ रहा है. Elevate. Then enhance. After enhance will come improve. Alphabetical order में चल रहे I आ रहा है. Then magnify and raise. किसी भी चीज को सुधारना, बड़ा करना. All these have got the same meaning. So boost, elevate, enhance, improve, magnify and raise. Now, so you need to keep in mind कि आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए उनमें से आपको देखना है कि अल्फाबेट्स के ऑर्डर में कौन सा. जैसे पहले बी से वर्ड है, बी सी डी, फिर ई में भी फर्स्ट ई कॉमन है, तो हम सेकेंड लेटर को देखेंगे. सेकेंड लेटर में जो अल्फाबेट ऑर्डर में पहले आता है हम उसको लिखेंगे. देन द फोर्थ वन फिनिश, देन कंप्लीट, then wind up, then accomplish, खत्म करना. सबके मीनिंग सेम है. conclude and finalize. Now we need to arrange them in alphabetical order. ठीक है? Now सबसे पहले A से जो वर्ड आएगा वो लिखेंगे. That is accomplish. So we write accomplish first. Then accomplish के बाद C आ रहा है. अब C से complete है और conclude. Which will come first? Obviously complete because यह पहले आता है. Complete. Then in the third place we write conclude. Accomplish, complete, conclude. Now we have got two words with F. Finish and finalize. पहले कौन सा आएगा? Finalize because फोर्थ पे A आ रहा है और इसमें फोर्थ पे पहले I आ रहा है. So finalize पहले आएगा and then finish. And the last will be wind up. All these words have got the same meaning. आपको मीनिंग पता लगे तो you can enhance your vocabulary. Fine. So accomplish, complete, conclude, finalize, finish and wind up. I hope everybody is done. So now I'm going to erase and start with the next one. Fifth one. Now, the fifth set of words are furious, then angry, then enraged, violent, infuriated, unwrathful. ये हमने वर्ड्स लिखे. फ्यूरियस, एंग्री, एनरेज्ड, वायलेंट, इन्फ्यूरिएटेड, wrathful. सारों का मतलब पूरे गुस्से से बना हुआ. नाउ फर्स्ट वर्ड कौन सा आएगा बेटा? नाउ फर्स्ट वर्ड विल बी एंग्री. देन वी राइट enraged. बस अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर पकड़ के जा रहे हैं कि कौन सा अल्फाबेट उसके बाद आएगा. Then we write furious, F आएगा. Then we write infuriated. Then we write violent, and last is dreadful. Now the next one, sixth one. Gallant, brave, gallant से gallantry बना है बेटा. Brave, valiant, courageous, fearless, and daring. ब्रेव हिंदी में जिसको बोलते हैं निडर. and the words are. अब बेटा सबसे पहले B alphabet comes, so we write brave. Then after brave C comes, so we write courageous. After courageous D comes, so we write daring. After daring comes fearless. Then G comes gallant. And the last one is valiant. So the correct sequence is gallant, brave, valiant, courageous, fearless and daring. Now the seventh one, honest, then trustworthy, honest, trustworthy, reliable, genuine, truthful, and ethical. All these meanings are words have got the same meaning. Honest, trustworthy मतलब जो ईमानदार हो, जिसपे विश्वास किया जा सके. And the first word is ethical. सबसे पहले कौन सा आएगा बेटा? E. Ethical. Then genuine. Then honest. Then reliable. Then ट्रस्टवर्दी एंड ट्रूथफुल में अब पहले कौन सा आएगा? TRU कॉमन है तो हम फोर्थ लेटर देखेंगे. पहले आएगा ट्रस्टवर्दी, S पहले आता है, सो वी राइट ट्रस्टवर्दी एंड द लास्ट विल बी ट्रूथफुल. फाइन, ये हो गया. नाउ द लास्ट वन, एट्थ वन, रिस्की, dangerous, risky, dangerous, unsafe, hazardous, मतलब सारी खतरनाक जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, hazardous, perilous, and dicey. अब इसमें जो सीक्वेंस है वो सबसे पहले कौन सा आएगा? डेंजरस, DENGEROUS, dangerous. Then the next one is dicey, DICEY, dicey. Then comes hazardous, hazardous लास्ट ईयर मिहिर सेन वाले लेसन में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा क्लास 3 में लास्ट ईयर. देन perilous, then risky, and last is unsafe. और लास्ट वाला क्या है बेटा? unsafe. Fine. So dangerous, dicey, hazardous, perilous, risky and unsafe. Now with this we have finished our exercise 1 of unit 2. Now students, exercise 2 given on page 11. That is, certain words are given and now you know how to find words in alphabetical order. So you need to write the meanings of the given 15 words from the dictionary as your homework. Beta, jo 15 words I am reading out these 15 words for you. Now you need to find the meanings from the dictionary and write these meanings in your English grammar book, page 11. So please write today's date and homework. Write 20 April 2021 and this is your homework. The first word is futile, second evacuate, third trendy, fourth embellish, fifth aromatic, sixth eloquent, seventh dexterous, eighth feeble, ninth horrible, 10 judicious, 11 delighted, 12 stubborn, 13 humiliate, 14 lenient and 15 motivate. So with this I end today's video, children, and I am sure all of you will write the meanings of exercise 2, page number 11. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.